Alright guys, well, if you haven't seen already, this is the newest addition to the fleet. And if you ask why I say fleet, that's because we have the Camry, the Pilot, the Mustang, the green Nova, the blue Nova, and now we got the truck. So if you guys have been following along, you've seen that I've been using my wife's Pilot as the the shop truck. I think I had pretty much everything except for the body of that car. Quarter panels, doors, glass. I basically had that entire car in the back of my wife's Pilot. And now we don't have to do that anymore. So I got a great deal on this bad boy. Scooped this thing up for $1,000. Already took the bed liner out because it was gross. It was packed all the way up the bed rails full of mud. But this thing is super scrungy. It's got 153,000 miles on it, and it runs great. Fresh inspection. Rubber floors. And I'm gonna show you how to make this turd look better. I'm gonna try and clean it up a little bit. It's got all of these scuff marks and stuff here. We're gonna probably put the bed liner back in it, but I just wanted to be able to get this thing cleaned out. First place to start is definitely a car wash, because this thing is super filthy. The whole truck is just covered in sludge. Man, that thing is gross. So gross. It's got the 4.3 6-cylinder, which they're kind of hard to kill, and they run forever. So hopefully this truck just treats us great and is a great little reliable, cheap pickup truck that we can use to haul our parts and stuff around. So let's get this thing washed up and see how we make out. Listen to this unit purr. Oh, look at that. She's a runner. Enter. Stop. I forgot the antenna. Please don't take it off. Oh yeah. Feels cleaner already. Maybe we should roll this window down. Get the inside a little bit. Okay, so we got kind of a freak day going on here. It's like really warm out. It's like 70 degrees out in early March. So we're gonna take this opportunity to work on the truck since the truck's in the driveway. And one of the things that immediately makes people think that you're driving a clapped out beater is when you have a ton of rust. So I don't want to invest a ton of time and labor and money into fixing the rust. So all we're gonna go ahead and do is I hit the rust areas in the rocker panel with a whole bunch of like rust neutralizer stuff that I'm not really sure how much I believe in or don't believe in. So we shot them up with that, and we're gonna use these sweet rocker panel rust covers. Oh yeah. Not saying it's the right thing to do, but it's the budget thing to do. So let's get these bad boys on. Alright guys, well as you can see, the old Silverado here cleaned up pretty damn good. With a couple little things, just a little bit of turtle wax, a quick spray wax, cleaned up pretty good. And we've been battling the weather here. I've been trying to get a video out, finishing this thing. It's been a little bit. It's been about 2 weeks, and we've just been battling weather and everything else. But you know, it's better. It's way better than it was. And put it this way, my wife drove it the other day, so that should tell you that just these little minor things that we did to make this thing look a little bit better really made a big difference. So that's gonna be it on, you know, our cheap $1,000 pickup truck. And it's a nice driver. We don't plan on towing anything with it. It's just gonna be, you know, our swap meet parts hauler. So look forward to seeing this thing in future videos, you know, driving parts around. That's pretty much it. But I've been daily driving the crap out of it the last couple weeks, and it's just a great machine. So that's gonna close out this video, and we'll see you with some more Nova content soon. So see you next time.